Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear your browsing data on your Windows computer. Regularly clearing your browsing data can help protect your privacy and keep your browser running smoothly. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser on your Windows computer. Click the three dots in the upper right corner of the browser window to open the menu. In the menu, click on History. Then, click on History again in the submenu. In the History window, click on Clear Browsing Data or Delete Browsing Data. Make sure to check all the boxes for the data you want to delete, such as browsing history, cookies, cached images and files, etc. Once everything is selected, click on Clear Data or Delete Data. And that's it. That's how you clear your browsing data on your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.